Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm doing a little bit of last minute crafting so I can meet my crafty goals and get some things put away. This was a page kit that I had from a crop. Shelby sells at embellishonline.com, so you can go there and check it out. I take her kits, which I love, and then mess them all up. So mine never look exactly like the diagram, but I have a lot of fun with them and I enjoy the products that she uses. She just has really good taste, and then she puts it all together and I like it. This is my 2020 page and I titled it 2020 Virus Times. I had a hard time with because I had more photos from 2020 than I expected, many more. I'll show you my extras and talk you through how I chose these. Maybe you're gonna do a mini album, a junk journal, I don't know, but a double page layout. I thought this was everything that happened, but I worked with it. I used these sticky letters. They might be basic gray. They're very old. They're one of my favorites. I have two favorites. These, which I don't have the package for, and then these thickers that are American Crafts, and these are from Tuesday Morning within the last couple of years, but these have been in my stash for a long time. 2020 Virus Times, and what I did was I looked at the chipboard and items that were in this kit, and some of them didn't really work, like the best of times and favorite things. Okay, let's be honest, maybe it wasn't. We made the best of it, no doubt there. I used this chipboard thing that I really liked, like a bluish turquoise, and then she had this embellishment in her picture where she layered things up, and then I have the swirly, and then there was the one that said all of these things, and these are just different things that we did or happened during the year. Down here I have things I learned: physical distancing versus social distancing, face covering versus mask, hand washing. I mean, how many videos were there? Cases by county. Oh my gosh, I forgot the N. We gotta fix that. Okay, that'll work. Be grateful for air. We had terrible fires here in Oregon, so in addition to COVID, we had basic problems with fresh air. Toilet paper is precious, and air quality numbers. I learned a ton because some days you could look outside and you knew you shouldn't go, but there are measurements and you can look and it says, no, you should stay inside today. For photos, what I did was I had a picture of each one of our furry kids. This is Pooh Bear when she decided to play with her toy, which was like Bizarro World, old dogs get a whim, and that happened. This was Sadie the very first day that our new couch came, and we waited months and months. I think we ordered that couch, gosh, I don't know, maybe May, and it showed up in September or something. So that was just another thing about COVID, right? And it had been on our list. We'd been planning. We just hadn't gotten around to it. And then we were home a lot. This is Parker. She does whatever she wants and just lays on stuff all the time. So there she is laying on my phone. Here's Wilson monitoring his yard. He walks the perimeter. He checks things. He reports back. That was earlier in the year because Pooh's been gone since the end of March. So all four of them. And I just thought that was fun because, you know, that'll be the last scrapbook page with all four of them on there. Then I had a heck of a time because we did so many projects. I don't know about you at your house, but let me show you. Let me show you some of the other projects. Okay, here's Parker talking. She has a lot of problems she wants to tell you about. Both the dogs sleeping in the craft room, Pooh's first flower. Okay, the bathroom turned out beautiful, but we see it, right? So I didn't think we needed a picture of how it turned out. I would have really liked to include this photo. Here it is. This is after Mr. Crafting and Relaxing, also known as Matt, ripped apart the bathroom. Look at the hole in the floor. It was just rotted out. So that would have been a fun picture to include because we know it turned out beautiful. But if it was horizontal, I would have put it in, but vertically, just space-wise, it didn't work for me. So I left that one out. He built a workbench, new gate. The dogs cuddled. That was a weird moment. All new bark dust, and for about a half a second, our backyard looked beautiful. Dogs cuddling. Pooh laid on the deck in the spring when the sun came out. He made shelves. He pressure washed everything. Then this TV cabinet right here, this has the doors on it, but I already had a picture of Sadie, and this one has him in it, and I was trying to get a picture of him. So I managed to get our whole family. Oh, we finally got a rug for the bus stop, the perfect rug, and then the fires came. And I didn't put it away in time. I don't know. Maybe I did. We'll see. Then I gave him a sketch, and he built this little thing that my gloves go in, and then the tools go right here. It hangs right next to the sliding glass door. Love it. So we just had tons and tons of projects like that. So what I did was over here, I wrote projects. Pressure wash, workbench. I showed you the picture he built. My tool hanger, this craft bench, master bath. Oh, south fence. We didn't do very much of it except for the bark dust next to it, but we got a new fence. I don't know where that is. Bark dusted the back, decluttering like crazy, and then those cute little blue shelves in the craft room. And I may have forgotten stuff, but there were a lot of big projects here this year. So that was one benefit. I think I captured it. I made a little banner up here, put knots on the end, used some of the buttons. I went pretty light on the embellishments because I have so many photos. Oh, new car. If you go shopping, at least here in Oregon, for a car, they just hand you the keys because nobody gets in with you. Car shopping is very interesting. So you can call in advance, say this is what I want to drive, and they just take a picture of your license and give you the keys, I think. I don't know, it's weird. That is 2020. I'm very excited that I have it done. And in my goals video, I'll probably show you what other 12 by 12 pages I have to work on. But I'm going to put this away in my book and get ready for New Year's Eve here at home. I hope that you all had a wonderful New Year's Eve and that it was safe and you're healthy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.